Welcome to NetSuite. In this video we'll cover the Sales subtab of a customer record. The Sales subtab on the customer record holds information related to your sales organization's work with the customer. The Sales subtab is part of the Subtab section at the bottom of the screen. Keep in mind that your NetSuite may look slightly different than what is shown here. The Sales subtab has multiple secondary subtabs. Those are opportunities, items purchased, upsell, qualifications and gross profit by category. The Opportunities tab shows a list of all opportunities with this customer. An opportunity record is a simple way to track developing deals within NetSuite. Those are shown here in a column and row layout with the information in each column shown at the top here. The records can be viewed by clicking the title of the record. New opportunities can also be added by clicking the New Opportunity button. To learn more about Opportunity Record, please watch the video called Opportunity Records, Creation and Editing. The next tab is the Items Purchased tab. This tab keeps a record of all items purchased by this customer. Each purchase is shown in a separate row and shows the name, quantity, total and unit price, with the total of the purchase shown here and the total of all purchases shown here. The next tab is the Upsell tab. The Upsell tab shows a list of all items that can potentially be upsold to the customer. The item purchased is shown on the left with the potential upsell item shown in the next column. The next tab is the Qualifications tab. This tab is used to show certain qualifications the customer meets, such as, if they have an approved budget to purchase. The next tab is the Gross Profit by category. This tab shows the gross profit from this customer per category. This requires the item being sold to contain a category in the item record. Profit is broken into each category and shows profit for that category. This concludes our video on the Sales subtab within a customer record. Thanks for watching.